Let me tell you a story about the two people I trusted the most and how they destroyed everything I loved. Siya ang kapatid ko, my own sister. Siya ang lalaking pinangarap kong makasama habang buhay. Akala ko wala nang hihigit pa sa samahan namin. Akala ko pagmamahal at tiwala lang ang mayroon kami. He was my safe place. She was my best friend. The one I shared all my secrets with. The one I defended no matter what. Little did I know, behind my back, they were already weaving their own lies. Nagsimula sa maliliit na bagay. Kapatid lang, sabi niya. Kaibigan lang, sabi naman niya. But the looks, the messages, the secrets, unti-unti kong napansin na hindi na yun normal. Hanggang sa dumating ang araw na malaman ko ang totoo. Kinuha niya ang lalaking mahal ko